Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. This is part one of the Gucci Spring Summer Eyes, Face, and Lip palette. Okay, I got two of them, but I'm breaking the videos up. So this is part one. I'm going to be swatching for you. I'm going to be pulling a look together. I'm going to be talking about the packaging, okay? So it's pretty straightforward, this one. So if you want to see how this face came together and what this super cute thing is on my head, just keep watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before I jump in, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am rocking our Boho head wrap in Cocoa Rose. I am obsessed. It's a brand new color for us, brand new color for us. And I'm obsessed with this shade, really obsessed. This is how I like my pinks, with a little grit to it, and browns do that for me. And I just think it has the perfect balance of rose and brown. And so I love it. Long piece of stretchy fabric, fashion it into any style you want, dress them up, dress them down, wear them to work out. I worked out this morning, okay? Wear them to work out, wear them to run errands in them all the time. Wear them on date night, check, okay? Hanging out with my peeps, check. I'm in them all the time, and so are our customers. This is a product that people absolutely love. So if you want to check out any of our Boho head wraps, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below. Oh, and they're currently on sale for 20% off. Okay, guys, so this should be a pretty easy video, okay? I did get two of the new spring summer releases for Gucci, but I'm splitting the videos up, so just one today, okay? And then I'll have the other one out, the video out in a couple of days. So today is all about Summerina Brown. Now listen, I love me some neutrals. I love me some nudes. If there's a correlation going on here now. So I wanted to not only wear a product of ours that played to the browns and the more neutral colors and this rosy color here. This is just something to put on the face when you have to go somewhere, but you just like a little bit of something. And I love nudes on the eye, no matter your skin tone. I always think that they're super sophisticated. So I'm quite a fan of just a little something on the eyes to pull a look together. So I'm excited to try this out. We've got some stuff to talk about though. Let's get into this packaging. So this is the new look of these palettes. I do not like it. I'm gonna keep it 100 here. I do not like it. I think it looks cheap. I think it feels incredibly lightweight. It is not fitting of a brand as big and as known as Gucci. So I am underwhelmed by the weight of this packaging and the sheer look of this packaging. In fact, I feel like the brand is going backwards. I'm not sure if this signals a new era because Alessandro Michele is no longer with Gucci, so they wanted to do a different look for the new director. I don't know what's going on. I just no. Now compare this to, well, we can also compare the size. So this is a blush. So you know the face palette is larger, okay? Compare it to this design. Still not my favorite in the world, but for me, better than this. I think they've been most successful with their launches, okay? This to me still feels like the chicest packaging they have. I am not a gold person, but for me, they made it work with the turquoise color here. To me, this was the chicest. This just feels and looks just so incredibly cheap. And listen, that's the problem when you choose gold as a thing. When gold is done with plastic, that's what it looks like. It looks super cheap. So I want to put that out there off the bat. Opening it, luxury to me, I always say this is a complete experience, and packaging is part of that. This fell short of that experience that I expect. I'm not loving the packaging, and smaller brands are doing better packaging, so there's no excuses for me where Gucci's concerned. And can I just say, I ordered this on Saturday, and Selfridges got it to me on Monday. And I have not been able to, Selfridges, after Brexit, messed up deliveries to the EU. So I have not been able to directly get my packages to me here in Portugal. But now it's back. I'm so excited because maybe I can add Suku back and maybe other brands. We'll see. But yeah, excited about that. So it took exactly Saturday to Monday. Impressed. And if you are on Selfridges, if you know about Selfridges, you can pay a yearly price in the EU or worldwide pay a single price and you get free shipping for the entire year. So even better, right? So did I give you the correct name? So this is the multi-use cream and powder quad eye palette, but we can use it on our cheeks and lips. So I'm just excited. And this is the creamy one. I don't know if you can see it glistening, but it looks like a lip, the one to be a lip product. We'll see. We'll see. I'm excited. That's all I can say. I'm excited to try this on, pull a look together. Should be fairly easy. Let's get to these swatches and then it'll go directly on my eyes first. So here are the swatches. They swatch like butter, guys. Definitely giving lipstick vibes. Swatch like butter. Beautiful, creamy, matte, creamy little shimmer there. Very, very beautiful. And I'm going to be comparing them to, I got the first, another packaging situation. You either loved or hated, but I got the point of this packaging. So this was their first large palette. So I'm going to be judging just in case you're not familiar with the colors, I'm going to be judging the shadows on my eyes against this one. The thing I loved about their larger eyeshadow palette is how soft they were. They just wear so soft, but the colors are light and faint. So I'm going to see if I see a difference here. Probably just already with the swatches. So let's get this on the eyes now. And to the point, okay? So I like these browns, I like these neutrals, I like it. I did put that rosy ready color in the crease just to add a little something something. They blend like a dream, absolutely no problem. The pigmentation is really, really good. Dare I say it's a bit more pigmentation than the first palette that I have, the full one. In terms of building it up, this takes less time. This is really easy, pigmented off the bat. Nothing bad to say. Really, really nice. Listen, the formula is lovely, and what this has going for it is a multi-use, and there are different textures here. So, and the creamy one blended out in the crease like a dream. So no issues there. Let's get this one on the cheeks. Let's get some blush, okay? Now there are 3 different color stories that they released. I'm sure we're gonna see more of these in the future. I mentioned this with Chanel. I'm all about these multi-use palettes. I really, really am. I just think if this is where we're going, great. You know, you can do a lot more with one thing, immediately making it travel friendly, which I love, love, love. So I absolutely love that about them, okay? So this is the creamy, like I said, red, pinky red color, rosy color. Blending out beautifully. I'm obsessed. Gucci's knocked it out the park with those blushes. I am such a fan of their blushes. So this is actually as nice as those blend out. This is blending out just as easily as the, I'm only doing this for the video's purpose. See how it builds up easily. Yeah, so, okay. Loving it. I love multi-use. It makes it easy. I took them damn blushes with me when I went away over the holidays, my long trip, my big trip. And I just couldn't leave them. I just love those blushes too much. I was like, I can't leave them out. I just can't. Okay, cheeks are looking good. Building up nicely. Let's use this one as a highlighter, guys. Let's see what's going on with this one. Now, guys, I have to get a little bit crafty with the brush, okay? Because these are smaller sections. So, like I was saying, there are 3. The other one had a more eclectic, we'll say, color story. So I didn't get that one. I said I'm not going to be able to use it. I don't even know if this is going to work, but that's what we're going to see if we can. Well, that works, and that's entirely too much. So now I gotta make this look presentable. Okay. So we've got some highlighter action going on. Yeah, the other one is eclectic. The other one I got is the pink one. So we will get into that. I thought I was gonna film both today, but I think because this is a cheek product too, the eyes I could just take off and film more, but because this is a cheek product, I'd have to undo too much makeup, so I'll probably shoot this tomorrow. This was an unexpected surprise. This was not on the docket, but when I saw that it was going to deliver directly to me, I grabbed them. I said, okay, this is easier. It's weird because like Gucci Portugal doesn't have makeup, and it's all really silly because they're all coming from France, in Gucci's case, Italy. The French brands, same with Dior. Dior doesn't come directly to me from the store. Mind you, they all come from France. So I just don't understand it. Chanel absolutely ships everywhere. They like money. And they always, I mean, they ship from France. They ship from the warehouse in France. So I don't understand how some countries get it and some don't. It's just silly to me, but okay. Now Suffrages has made it easier for me. Okay, yes, guys, working. We're loving this as a little highlighter situation. And because of the colors I used on the eyes, this doesn't even look like necessarily the same palette. So you could play around with it and make it look different. Okay, what's next? Lips, and then I guess we're done. I was gonna use a brush, but I was like, let's be real. I would never use a brush. I'm gonna use a clean finger instead. Let's go in and the lips. This kind of color on me would require probably some sort of liner, I think, to make me comfortable. It's a little too pinky, maybe. I don't know. It looks like a little stain or something. Okay. Just a reminder that everything that I'm wearing on my face will be written in the description below, as always, okay? So if you're wondering about something I have on, it'll be in the description below. There will be some affiliate links if you decide that you would like to support my channel, support me this way. You can use one of my affiliate links, and I greatly appreciate it, and I'll put that money back into doing more videos for you guys. So just a little bit about anything you're ever curious about my face, you'll find in the description below. So that is the finished look that we're ending up with. Super easy, super simple, and all coming from those 4 little sections, this quad, okay? So other than the packaging, which is a big no for me, I really loved how this performed. It's easy, quick, and to the point, and gets me where I need to get in one simple product. So thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. If you're into it'll come down to, as per usual, the color stories that you like. The colors here did not reinvent the wheel. It's an absolutely stunning formula though, so easy to blend out, pigmented, but it'll come down to that. Again, I expect to see them do more. 3 was an interesting number. I wonder if that was the intention. Was there supposed to be more? I don't know, but 3 was like, that's it. So I'm thinking we'll probably see more of these come fall. And yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Nothing bad to say. And now it's over to you. Let me know if you got one of these Gucci palettes. Are you interested in them? What do you think about this packaging? If you have them, let me know. And if you're not going to get them, you can tell me that too. Is it the color story thing? You can let me know in the comments below. And of course, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. And if you guys want to check out any of our boho head wraps, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, scent-line beanies, scent-line nip beanies, all our other hair accessories, you can visit us at breezytee.com. Again, our Easter sale is on, so most all of our products are on sale for 20% off. And if you want to check out any of our luxury lifestyle accessories, you can visit us at freybybreezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.